And now the end is near, and so I faced the final curtain. My friend, I say it clear, I state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full of trouble each and every highway and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Regrets, I had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, and so it true, without exemption. I planned each other course, each careful step along the byway, and much more than this. I did it my way. Yes, there were times I'm sure you knew when I bit off more than I could chew. But truth when there was none, I had enough. Spit it out, I faced it all, and I stood tall and did it my way. The end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I say clear, I state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's I've trouble each along the byway, and much more than this. I did it my way. Yes, there were times I'm sure you knew when I've been told more than I could chew. But truth told, and so rain, I had it all, and spit it out. I faced it all, and I stood tall, and did it my way.
Ouais ben, là je suis arrivé à cet endroit-là. J'aurai pas le temps, mais je vais aller rue de la Carrière, pointe Langevin. Rue de la Carrière là-bas comme d'habitude. Et voilà. Waouh. C'est magnifique la rivière. Ça donne un paquet, mais c'est magnifique.